Okay, this we have to redoing the foundation. This pile of rocks used to be the foundation, and now there's nothing under there except some jacks, some wood, right? Another block of wood just to hold it in place. So today we're going to put a little concrete in this spot. That'll be today's thing. Yeah, another big rock. And this is an old house. So you have these big pieces of wood. That's a pretty big piece of wood for a house, right? And then the same up here. It all connects to a big piece of wood, and it goes to another big piece of wood. So anyway, there's bevel down there at the bottom, isn't it nice? Some wires and stuff going around it. And that's also a big piece of wood on the bottom, I don't know if you can tell.